Hello everyone. As a B2B marketer today, LinkedIn is one of your most powerful tools, right? But are you using it right? Understand these three aspects or three ways in which you can use LinkedIn more powerfully to generate leads for your business. Number one, profiling. 80% of customers that I consult, and when I check their LinkedIn profiles, I see them incomplete. Oh, that's a big letdown. This is your CV to your prospective customers. It must be up to date. Make sure you have all your skills, your experience, your projects, your certifications, your awards. Everything should be there. Put your videos, put links to papers that you have written, recommendations from others. Make sure it's rich, because your customers are going to create an image when they're going to connect with you. Therefore, your profile has to be absolutely up to date. If not, do it today. Number two, prospecting. Now, generally what we do is we look around the LinkedIn connections, and if we feel, oh yeah, this is the one I want to connect with, just go and send a message, hi, I would like to be your LinkedIn connection, and send. Do you think it's going to work that way? It does not. It's very rare that someone will just randomly connect with you. If they're trying to build their own network, they may want to add another one. But it's not really something that they want to do to create an association with you. Get the point? Therefore, make sure you make the right connection so that the connection becomes an association where you can really engage yourself with the other person and explore opportunities together. Number three, Sales Navigator or paid advertising using LinkedIn. This is another aspect which is very grossly overlooked. Yes, it is expensive, but it is very, very powerful. Another aspect of this is people generally tend to just boost posts and hope for people to connect. No, you must create targeted campaigns. You must create targeted ads. Take stock, look at the insights, tweak those ads, and keep doing it on an ongoing basis. Some fantastic results can be achieved with this. With Sales Navigator, you can send out emails to specific clients with personalized messages. You also get a chance to check who are reviewing your profiles. That is very powerful. Therefore, it makes a real good case to invest money in LinkedIn paid advertising. So those were my three inputs for B2B marketers to really drive their leads and sales for their business using the LinkedIn platform. If you like this video, please help us by liking us on Facebook and YouTube. And if you have any questions for us, please write to us on the email shown on your screen. Until next time, bye-bye.